In this video, we're going to talk about how to cancel or delete a quest in AUT. In order to do that, you first need to head over, and as you can see, I have in here this thread. So they have this request, and apparently they need to have 0 ongoing quests other than this quest. And in this case, they're asking if they can cancel. So as you can see, the user says that you can no longer delete quests now for some reason since the devs have already fixed that particular case. So it may be because some quests cost money. So what you can do instead is you can head over and then just finish that other quest that you have if you have a quest that requires zero quests available. So easy fix for it, so you can make pick up the quest next time. You don't need to pay right here under this part as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.